Greetings and salutations. My name is Tyler Stevenson and I'm new here to the MiX. And I'll be talking about this month's STEM news. First up, Siberian unicorn. As it turns out, unicorns did really exist, though they certainly didn't look much like the gentle magical horse-like creatures we all imagine. More like huge, hairy rhinos. Scientists recently found evidence indicating the ancient rhinoceros species known as the giant Siberian unicorn, thought to have gone extinct 350,000 years ago, actually roamed the earth at the same time as humans some 29,000 years ago. This huge timeline adjustment is thanks to radiocarbon dating of a well-preserved skull, and it was probably a pretty big skull. At their largest, these ancient rhinos were thought to have measured nearly 7 feet tall and 15 feet long, far cry from the of myth and popular culture. They weighed at around 4 tons and their single horns likely stretched as long as 7 feet. Coding cells. Coding websites is one thing, but Christopher Voigt, an MIT professor at biological engineering, and his colleagues are working on coding cells. So how do you program a cell? Apparently you use a text-based language, just like programming a computer. Then you take that text and you compile it and it turns it into a DNA sequence that you put into a cell, and the circuit runs inside the cell. With this new programming language, scientists now have a standard method for fashioning these circuits, which means they can create them quickly and then test them ASAP. Which is great because in the future these cells could be programmed to detect cancer or help lactose intolerant people digest lactose. Tesla Model number 3 now. Tesla just unveiled its most consumer-friendly car to date, called the Model 3. It is the last step in Tesla's initial plans to build a mass-production all-electric car. Priced at $35,000, only a $1,000 down payment is needed to reserve yours today. A Model 3 can go 215 miles on a single charge and 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. Man, I want one. This is it for the STEM news, and hope you enjoy all the other stuff. Live long and prosper, my dear friends.
Hey MiX members, MiX mentor Hannah here to tell you about the forecasting and modeling workshop we have coming up next weekend. It's going to be hosted by meteorologist Catherine Dupree, who's from ABC8. She's taking some time out of her busy schedule to show us how meteorologists use computer models and satellite data streams to make accurate forecasts. These skills are going to be needed for April's challenge, hint, hint, so come in and check it out. Limit of 15 MiX members for the workshop, so please RSVP by 5 p.m. on April 8th. And also keep an eye out for our challenge video on April 16th. We're also going to be green screening our forecast that day as an informal extension of the workshop, so drop by and check it out. During spring break, we used our backyard brains to play around with human-to-human interfacing. This involved sending muscle signals through attached sensors to control other devices, in this case a TENS, or transcutaneous electrical nerve simulator, that's a mouthful, to excite and contract the muscles of another person. It's pretty cool to hear about, but it's much funnier to watch. So here are some videos of MiX members' arms twitching around. Try curling your wrist out. Yeah, there you go. You did it.
I can't do this, man. This is too much work. This is too much physical work.
You want me to do it?
Oh. Okay, I want to be the one getting shot. Sorry.
Wild, right? Now to tomorrow. Now it's done.
Hey guys, it's Tamara, and right now we're about to go into Boost because it recently just reopened. So let's go.
3, 2, 1, jump.
Ever.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Touch the button when you reach the end.
about this?